So what we have here is a little pocket protector. It's kind of old school, but necessity in SMT production. You want a good set of tweezers to be able to pick those components. You want a nice pen readily available to be able to jot down notes and mispicks, mistakes, missing components, whatever it may be. To be able to handle all these small components and cut through the carrier tapes. You'd like a nice pair of scissors. Doesn't matter what kind of scissors, but as long as they reliable and cut really well. Fiskars has a couple of nice sets for you, but this will essentially help you to be able to pick components using the tweezers. And do whatever you have to do with the components. Put them back in the bin, the tray, to repick as well. And but a nice pair of scissors to cut through that 1mm carrier tape as well. But these are essentials. If you'd like a little pocket protector and a set of the tools, it comes with tweezers, a pair of scissors, a steel ruler from 1mm to inches, and a little notepad there to jot down all the notes and mispicks and errors. Send us an email at rob@tapesplice.com. We'll send you out a kit.